Replacing filters. Vesibox uses an installation method called quick fitting. All the hoses have to be inserted all the way down and have to have the blue safety rings. Disassembly is very simple. First, remove the blue safety rings, then press the white flap with your fingers, and then pull the hose out. Specific installation steps. Power off your Vesibox system. For your own safety, unplug the system from the power outlet. Close the water flow valve. Remove the hose from your Vesibox system. Remove the hose from the sediment filter. Remove the hose from the carbon filter. Remove the bridge-shaped elbows from the filter set. In the new filter set, insert the adapter and the hose coming from the T-shaped valve into the sediment filter. Install the bridge-shaped elbows from the sediment filter to the carbon filter. Insert the adapter and additional hose into the carbon filter. Open the water flow valve in order to purge the new filters for 30 minutes or until the water becomes pristine. Shut off the water flow valve. Plug the free end of the white hose coming from the carbon filter into the Vesibox system. Plug the power cord into the Vesibox system. Plug the power adapter into a 110-volt power outlet. Open the water flow valve. Power your Vesibox system using the on-off button. Now you can keep enjoying of premium quality, ultra-purified alkaline water.